Hello friends, welcome to HackerRank Python series. Today we will be solving the very first challenge of this series. Say hello world with Python. Python is a popular programming language known for its simplicity and ease of use. The Hello World program is a great place to start for beginners. My name is Prasad and I will be your guide through this challenge. So let's start by navigating to HackerRank website and open the challenge. As you can see, the problem statement is very simple here. We just need to print the string hello world on the console using Python. However, let me take a moment to explain different sections of this screen. On the left side, you can see the problem statement and some useful information about Python library and functions to solve the challenge. It also explains whether this specific challenge needs any input from the user, what should be the output format, with a sample output. The right side section is the code editor where we are going to write Python code. You can also choose between the code editor theme and programming language interpreter. Since we will be using Python 3 in this series, we will change it from PyPy 3 to Python 3. As you make change to the interpreter, first thing you will notice is the code editor has given us some boilerplate code, use of print function in this case. The print function is a built-in function in Python that is used to print text to the console. In this case, we need to pass string hello world as an argument to the print function and click on run code button to execute the code. Let me explain what just happened. We use the print statement in Python to output the string hello world to the console. This is a very basic program, but it demonstrates the syntax and the structure of the typical Python program. Our code works perfectly and it prints the string hello world to the console in the format specified by the challenge. Congratulations! We have successfully solved Say Hello World with Python challenge on HackerRank using the built-in editor. Once you solve the challenge successfully, you can submit it by clicking on the Submit Code button. HackerRank will then run your code against a set of test cases to verify if your code is correct. If your code passes all the test cases, you will be awarded points based on the difficulty of the challenge. If your code doesn't pass all the test cases, you will be able to see which test case your code failed and you can make changes to your code and resubmit. Before we finish this challenge and move on to the next one, let me explain some additional features you might have noticed on the screen. The submission section provides some additional features to help you track your progress and improve your coding skills. For example, you can view your submission history to see how many times you have attempted this challenge, and you can compare your score with other users on the leaderboard section. You can also see the time taken to execute your code, which can be helpful for optimizing your code to make it more efficient. The leaderboard section shows the scores of all the users who have attempted the challenge. You can view the top scorers and see how your score compares to other users. This section can be helpful for setting goals and tracking your progress as you improve your coding skills. The discussion section is a forum where you can ask questions and interact with other users who are attempting the same challenge. You can ask for help, share your thoughts on the challenge, and provide solutions to other users' questions. This section is a great resource for learning from others and getting help when you are stuck. Let's go back to the dashboard and you will notice that Say Hello World with Python program challenge is marked as solved. Great job. So in this video, you have completed the challenge. You have also learned how to write and execute your first Python program. You have also gained some insight into HackerRank website and its various features, including the submission, leaderboard, discussion, editorial, and tutorial sections. Remember, programming is a skill that requires practice and persistence. And the more you practice, the better you will become. So keep practicing, take on more challenges, and continue to learn and grow as a programmer. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and I will see you in the next challenge.